Welcome everybody to the crypto mining channel. If you want to learn how to build sustainable long-term passive income streams, make sure to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get some free money and get a free trading bonus. Guess my doggy is also interested. So make sure to claim your $60 trading bonus, and I'm going to tell you exactly right now. How right now?
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
So the first step is registering. The registration link is in the video description. I appreciate it if you use my link. So after successful registration, the only thing you have to do to get the $10 is to follow Bybit on Twitter and retweet the pinned message. And that's it. Then you will receive $10. So you can't withdraw that $10, but you can trade with it. And those trading profits, those you can withdraw. And then for the $50, it's a deposit bonus. You have to deposit 0.2 Bitcoins or either 10 Ethereum or 500 EOS or 8,000 Ripple. So it should exceed these deposit amounts a little bit, so 10.1 Ethereum, then you qualify. So the bonus will immediately be transferred to your account, and again the same as with the registration bonus, you can trade with it, and those trading profits you can withdraw. So claim your bonus today. So when you log into Bybit, this is what you will see when you press trade. So it's similar to other exchanges. So if you want to read the details about the Bybit bonus, I'll put the link in the video description, and then you have all the information you need to get your $60. So claim it now and register with the link in the video description. I hope you appreciate this video, guys. Please drop me a like if you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below, but don't forget to read the video description. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to make some extra money. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.